In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money while in quarantine. And we're going to start right now. What's up everyone, this is Rifat Abu Hassan. In my channel, I talk to you about different ways of making money online, generating passive income and affiliate marketing. So if this is the first time for you on my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so that you get notified whenever I release new videos. Now, lots of people, you guys, during this coronavirus crisis, think that the only way to make money is through working as an Uber driver to deliver goods and foods for other people staying at home. Although this can be true, but it will make you more exposed to the infection hazard. Yet some countries have more restriction on such service that prevent people from working as Uber drivers. But the reality, you guys, you can make even more money than this kind of job while staying in the safety and comfort of home. Because that's what we all want, right? We all want to get through this situation together, you guys, and get back to our normal life. So it's very important to our safety to stay at home and avoid mixing with other people. So in this video, you guys, I will show you different methods of making money online, and I will show you the differences between these methods, the sites to go to, and how much money you can earn from each method. And the way this is organized is I will start with showing you the fast method, which means the least money that you can make, and we'll end up with the slow methods, but also that means you will be making the most amount of money. So let's get started. So number one on the list is online odd jobs. And these are active work jobs in where you will trade time for money. This would be the fastest way, you guys, to make money, but also the least amount of money that you're gonna make. These types of jobs are like taking surveys, copywriting, and getting paid per word. Now, if you are doing surveys, you need to bear in mind that there are lots of fake survey sites, and you want to make sure that you go with the legitimate websites. One of the largest and most reliable survey websites is Swagbucks.com. They've been there for a while, and they offer also some free gifts. As you can see here, they've paid over almost $400 million in gifts actually for jobs such as playing games, taking surveys, searching the web, making online purchases, and watching videos. Now, earning serious money, you guys, using this method takes time and effort. But how much effort you can put into it, it's totally up to you. You'll typically earn between 50 cents and $5 per survey. And if you are committed to doing few surveys a day, you should be able to earn at least $100 a day. There are also other websites similar to Swagbucks that you can go and take surveys with, and I will list those here on the screen. Method number two, online jobs. These are work from home jobs, and these are different from the odd jobs because these jobs might be country specific jobs. So you wanted to make sure that the opening jobs are available for you in your area. But for most positions, you can work from anywhere in the world. These types of jobs are also fast in making money, but slightly better than the odd jobs because you can control how much you want to make, and you can accept a certain pay or set a pay rate. One of those jobs, you guys, is to work as virtual assistant. Virtual assistant job give you the flexibility to work with a wide range of skills for an online company, such as answering emails, responding to clients and customers, organizing tasks and schedules for work teams. And there is a huge demand for virtual assistants, you guys, especially nowadays where everyone is quarantined and working remotely from home. A good website, you guys, for virtual assistant jobs is Flexjobs.com. Once you are on the website, click on Find Jobs on the top left-hand corner, and that will take you to all the categories available to you. So wide range of categories to select from, depending on your skills and what you can do. For example, if I click on accounting and finance jobs, it will show us all the available jobs under that category. So as you can see, there is claims and billing analyst job, there is a delivery manager job, sale development representative. So you definitely want to go and check that out. I'm sure you'll find something that suits you guys. Number 3, online reselling. With online reselling, you guys, you don't have to go to a store to buy a product and then resell it, which is a great business opportunity, by the way. But right now, you guys, where most people around the world are quarantined due to the coronavirus, you don't want to go to a hardware store or a supermarket and touch products with your hands and risk your health to make some money. So there is a better way to find things that you don't need around the house and sell them. One thing that you might consider doing at home is to organize your room and storage area. Believe me, you'll find things that you definitely won't use and in good condition that you can sell. And I tell you what, you guys, there is huge demand on used items that you most likely have at home. I found out that there is shortage of products online now on things like puzzles, board games, books, movies, video games, because basically people are not listing items as they used to, and therefore the prices of these items is rising quickly due to the high demand, you guys. So these are the things that you want to offer, you guys. You need to list it on eBay and sell. Reselling is a real business, you guys. And if you take it seriously, you can make up to $250 per week. Okay, the following 2 methods, you guys, is where you can make the most amount of money. These are not a night success. It will take time to grow into it. Because you guys, there isn't anything that's get rich quick thing. If you see anything like this on the net, just run away from it. It's a scam and it's not real. So these methods, you guys, will take time to master, but at the end, it will provide you with passive income. So you will keep making money even if you're asleep. And these are my main ways of making money online, you guys, especially the first one, which is affiliate marketing. I started affiliate marketing, you guys, approximately 2 years ago and fell in love with it. And this is basically promoting other people's products and service for a commission. The beauty of affiliate marketing, you guys, is that you can do this as much as you can without any restriction whatsoever. So the idea here is to select the right company that give you the best compensation plan for you. One of the largest websites in the net where you can find affiliate products, you guys, is clickbank.com. To be able to promote products as an affiliate, you need to go to the affiliate marketplace, and you will find a list on the left-hand corner where you can find affiliate products under many categories. So what you need to do is to choose one of those categories. Let's, for example, say health and fitness. And this will take you to the many products that you can find and promote at different price depend on that product. So you can go and check them over and select the one that suits you. And once you get the affiliate marketing right, you guys, if you put the effort and time, you can easily earn $300 a week and make $1,200 or more a month. I found that promoting educational courses are one of the best affiliate programs that you can get sales from. In my own business, the way I do it to get high profit, you guys, is to focus only on one affiliate program on educational courses that teaches how to make serious business. And so far, I'm getting great results with that. So if you are interested to know more about it, check the link in the description below where it says my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online in 2020. Number 5, starting a YouTube channel. There is no best time, you guys, to start a YouTube channel than now, you guys. Because most of people nowadays around the world are quarantined at home and sitting watching YouTube. So if you get in front of those people with information that interested them, then you would have a great chance to grow your YouTube channel and start making money. And the way you can make money with YouTube here is through 3 streams. Number 1 is to provide content offering solutions for things of interest to your viewers. When you are at home, you guys, you can make videos on anything that you know and have passion of. Do you like video gaming? You can make walkthrough video games and tutorials of, for example, Resident Evil 3, which is the new version of the game this year, and teach people the steps and tricks they need to know to get through the game. These types of videos, you guys, are getting tons and tons of views. In my channel, I make content that provides solutions for people who want to make some extra income. So I provide content that teach how to make money online, generating passive income, and affiliate marketing. So if you haven't yet checked my channel, you guys, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified on my new videos. Similarly, you can make videos on home gardening and how to take care of your garden. I'm sure lots of people have enough time for that now. Also, fixing things around the house is one of the most searchable terms all the time. Also, you can make videos on playing musical instruments such as pianos and violin. So by providing video contents on your channel, say once or twice a week, for example, depending on you, the more you do, the fastest you go and find results. So by doing this, you guys, on a consistent basis, people will start noticing you and your channel will start to grow. Again, as I said, that this would not be overnight, but the ultimate result that you will get, you guys, is very rewarding. The second money stream from your channel, you guys, is to promote products and services that is relevant to what you are teaching. And that's the affiliate marketing that we talked about. So you will do this in complementary with your video content. So the idea here, you guys, is that when you provide valuable information for your people, this will build trust and connection between you and your audience. It will also make you an authority in the area that you're talking about. So people will like you and have trust in what you're saying. This will give you guys the chance to recommend products and services that is relevant to what you're teaching. For example, if you are giving a tutorial on some gaming gears or equipment, or how you can fix issues in your console, you can recommend some tools or softwares found on Clickbank using your affiliate links. And if people went there and bought what you recommended, you will get commission. The third money stream from your YouTube channel is through YouTube ad revenue. This can, of course, happen when your channel has grown to a certain point, you guys. The point that makes YouTube put companies' ads on your channel, the same way that you see in many channels on this platform. This can happen, you guys, when your channel reaches at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time in the last 90 days. Then YouTube will start running ads of other companies on your channel, and then you can make money from your ad revenue. All these 3 streams, you guys, that we talked about combined can make you $250 a week. And you don't have to be professional to make videos, you guys. You can shoot videos basically from your phone. In fact, this video you're watching now is shot from my iPhone. And I use free editing software like iMovie if you have a Mac, or you can use free software like the one I'm linking tutorial to in the description below. So here you go, guys. These are the 5 methods to make money while in quarantine. If you get value from this video, please like and share so that this video can reach more people. This is Rifat Abu Hassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.